Okay, I beat Sound Boon Machine.
Phenomenal.
Cool. That was very fast. 133 attempts. Hard demon on higher refresh rates, probably insane demon on lower refresh rates though, so it's not like the worst thing ever if it stays insane demon. Yeah, this level just has it's pretty easy aside from a few choke points like that one. The wave at the start of the drop is pretty hard, especially that one gap like 39 I think. It was really tight. There's also a ball part that's kind of difficult, but I didn't die there from 0 to like 53. That ball corridor is kind of hard, but didn't die there from 0. I only had one death in the second half, and it was at like 78. Yeah, overall pretty enjoyable level. Pretty easy for higher skilled players or higher first rate players. So if you're looking for something easy, then yeah, I'd say go for this. I mean, it's not a bad level otherwise. So yeah, GG.